the engine just goes boom, rod goes, I don't want to be in it. There's 10 horsepower there.
True that.
Xpel self-healing paint protection film.
So if a lorry came into it, is it repairable?
No.
Right, whenever you're ready, Ollie.
Yeah?
Yeah, go for it.
Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm Ollie, the marketing manager. Behind the camera, we've got Spencer, the content manager. We're just at this Audi RS3. It's a very special car, and we thought we'd take the opportunity to do a quick vlog on it. Bit of history behind this car. It was previously owned by Automotive Passion. If that name's ringing a bell, they are the creators of the Carbon-Fibre kit on this car. So they create the splitter, the wing mirror cap, the side skirts, the arch guards, you've got the rear spoiler on the boot lid, and the diffuser.
Now, how much would this kit cost?
I think it's about £2,000 for absolutely everything. The diffuser's like 900 quid and the front split is about 700 quid, so they're the big parts of the kit, but no, it's a really nice kit. I mean, look at the spoiler, the sun on the spoiler. Looks really cool.
The weaves.
But yeah, so Automotive Passion previously owned this car and they commissioned the majority of the modifications, which total £24,500, so nearly 25 grand worth of modifications. Let's go through some of them modifications. A lot of it is invested into the engine, so I'll pop the bonnet. By the way, if you hear my stomach growling, I'm ravenous right now. But now, yeah.
Is it worth mentioning that this hasn't been prepped by us yet?
No, this car is in prep. I'm gonna have to go here because the sun's in my eyes. This car is in prep. We're just out getting some content of it so we can get it up for sale. So your eagle-eye viewers might notice the eye is missing on the carbon engine bay cover. We will sort that out. Yeah, and the heat wrap is sticking up as well. We sort all these little bits out, but yeah, this car is not prepared and nowhere near our standards as we speak. This is a stage 3 car. Stage 3 meaning it's got an upgraded turbocharger. It's currently got a TTE 700 hybrid turbocharger, and it's tuned by DDG. They are a tuning company based in Manchester, and they've managed to extract 610 brake horsepower and 670 newton meters of torque, which is big numbers on just 99 pump fuel. And some of you may question if it's reliable. Yes. We've sold a lot of stage 3 Audi RS3s of this power. We have never had an issue with them. Every car gets a thorough check over. What do we call it? We call it a health check. That's it. They get a thorough health check to make sure everything's in perfect running condition. We get I can't think what the little cameras that you put down the boards of the engine. What do you call them? Bore scope. Bore
cameras.
Bore camera.
I don't know.
Mine's gone blank. But yeah, we do a lot of thorough checks to make sure these engines are healthy. But yeah, it's a DDG stage 3 car. As you can see, it's got the APR carbon fibre intake cover. It's got forged motorsport intercooler. It's got the 034 motorsport gearbox catch can. It's got bigger injectors. But yeah, it's a solid 610 brake horsepower there. The best thing about taking the car to stage 3 is the noises. You get the induction noises, you get the noise from the exhaust, you get all the turbo spewing. It is an occasion.
It's like an experience driving it. Like,
yeah.
It doesn't really.
This car now has the performance of the likes of a Porsche 992 Turbo S. That's £200,000 car. If you want that performance, that's reliable, you got to spend 200 grand, or you can buy this. We're going to be retailing this car about £55,000 to £60,000. Sounds a lot for an Audi RS3, but we're selling this car with over £24,500 of modifications at the fraction of a cost of what it would cost you to do everything that's been done to this car. So again, just to clarify, when we say £24,500 of modifications, that's just the physical parts, not the labour of installing everything. Now let's quickly go around some of the other bits and bobs on this car. So the wheels, the OZ Racing Ultra Leggera HLT. As you can see here, the HLT, a set of these are over £2,000. These are the lighter versions of the non-HLT versions. The car is also loaded on KW's high adjustable spring kit, and it also has a rear anti-roll bar. That is the best value for money handling modification that you can buy for this car, I think. I mean, a set of coilovers will set you back about £2,000 to £3,000, but for about 200 quid for a rear anti-roll bar, that makes a big difference for these cars. Stops all that weight at the back transferring, which can cause understeer. There's 10 horsepower there.
True that.
There's 10 horsepower there, just boasting about what's under the bonnet. Oh, and it's got extended front end PPF. You will see here, PPF comes right up to the front of the roof, the A-pillars, wing mirror caps. Yeah, so the wing mirror caps are done, arches, bonnet and front bumper, and I believe, the headlights are done as well. So full front end extended Xpel self-healing paint protection film. I think that's about £2,000 alone.
Now, with it being self-healing, what does that actually mean?
So,
to what extent? So if a lorry came into it, is it repairable?
No. If a lorry crashes into your car, it's not going to self-heal your car. It's not like GTA where you put in your little cheat code and the car's fixed.
Oh.
No. If you scratch the bonnet, it might leave a scratch, but under heat, it will heal.
So when you say it will leave a scratch in the PPF, not the paint?
Yeah, not the paint, in the PPF. So I could put my finger down this now, it will leave a scratch, but under the sunlight. But if that's not enough, you can use a heat gun to heal the scratch. It will just disappear. It's as simple as that.
Magic. Inside?
Let's move inside.
You want to go that side, I'll go this side?
You go that side, I'll go this side. We've got this lovely carbon fibre steering wheel. I think this is a Berg tuning steering wheel. So it's got the carbon fibre bit here, it's got the silver grey 12 o'clock marker. It's got the lovely rock grey stitching on here and the Alcantara, so it matches the stitching on the extended leather door cards. It's got these Lamborghini Urus type gear shift paddles. It's also got a bit of carbon fibre here. This is something from Automotive Passion. I'm sure they sell this. I'm not 100% too sure, but I'm sure they do sell that bit of carbon just to dress the interior nicely, and it complements the carbon interior inlays. It's got different heater vents as well. Yeah, normally these bits are like silver, or if you get the RS design packet, these bits are red. Factory optional extras, that's what I meant. Super sport seats. It's got the Audi-Sport Package, so if we turn on the car, what have we got on here? Just so yeah, on here we got the tyre pressure indicator, so it's got individual tyre pressure monitoring. It's got the RS-Sport exhaust system, and if we go into the drive select settings, you got the magnetic ride control. So them three options are part of the Audi-Sport Package, which this car has from the factory. So it's got the comfort and sound package, so you've got the Bang & Olufsen sound system, the hill hold assist, and the reversing camera.
Is the reversing camera not standard on all?
No.
They're not?
Nope. Parking sensors are.
Yeah.
On the RS3s,
but the camera,
not the camera. I mean, to quickly summarise this car, this is one of the most complete Audi RS3s. If you want everything from technology to practicality and all-season performance, and you want a thrill,
ticks all boxes.
It's a car for you. It's a car for you. But yeah, we're just going to go and get some pictures. We've done a lot of filming already, but we're going to get some pictures. It's a lovely sunny day. It's autumn right now. All the leaves are golden, so we're going to head to a road nearby get some more pictures, and then we'll head back to the HQ where it will get prepared. So let's crack on.